Every packaged batch is sealed, identified, and tracked, ensuring complete accountability from the printing facility to the central banking system. After passing strict inspections, every kina is counted, bundled, and secured before the story returns to where it begins. Every Papua New Guinea kina begins as a precision-printed polymer sheet, produced inside one of the world's most secure currency facilities. This is where Papua New Guinea's polymer kina begins its journey, printed with extraordinary precision inside one of the world's most secure production facilities. A unique serial number gives every banknote its own identity, making every kina fully traceable and extremely difficult to counterfeit. Bands. Papua New Guinea's polymer banknotes are printed on biaxially oriented polypropylene, or BOPP. This advanced partitions. Before printing begins, the polymer substrate is cleaned to remove microscopic dust, oils, and static particles. Even clippants. Unlike ordinary plastic, currency-grade polymer receives a specialized printable coating that permanently bonds security inks to the durance. Currency security inks contain specialized pigments and fluorescent compounds that respond differently under visible, ultraviolet, and infrareds. Intaglio printing uses enormous pressure to create raised ink that can be both seen and felt, providing a security. Modern banknotes combine microprinting, guilloche patterns, and hidden security elements that require specialized equipment capable of printing details thinner than a human hair. Microtext and fine-line security patterns are measured in fractions of a millimeter, making them extremely difficult to reproduce without specialized banknote printing equipment. Only after passing both automated and manual inspections are the printed sheets approved for cutting into individual banknotes. Before cutting, every printed sheet is precisely aligned to ensure each individual banknote meets exact dimensional specifications. Industrial currency cutters operate with extremely tight tolerances, producing banknotes that are uniform in size across every production batch. Once separated, every individual banknote maintains identical dimensions, ensuring reliable performance in banks, ATMs. Automated counting systems verify the exact number of banknotes in every batch, minimizing handling errors before packaging. Banknotes are aligned, compressed, and bundled into standardized quantities to simplify secure storage, transportation, and distribution. Every packaged batch is sealed, identified, and tracked, ensuring complete accountability from the printing facility to the central banking system. After packaging, the finished banknotes are stored inside secure vaults, where every bundle is electronically tracked until it is officially released for circulation. Each shipment is verified, sealed, and documented before leaving the production facility, creating a complete chain of custody for every batch of currency. From secure production to protected transport, every stage follows strict security procedures before the polymer kina reaches Papua New Guinea's banking network.
Before entering circulation, new banknotes are received, verified, and recorded by the central bank before being distributed throughout the country's financial system.